Self-pity is not going to speed up your recovery. If you feel really sorry for yourself, you can actually feel less in control. That in turn can make you feel more stressed, and that can make your symptoms feel much worse. Of course, feeling sorry for yourself can also lead you to huddle up in front of the television, duvet round you, central heating blasting, and all the windows closed. So the best thing to do is to get in control, get in the driving seat, get in charge. Get something that will relieve your symptoms while your body fights it off. Don't feel sorry for yourself.